Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Canon Pixma MG5750 or any printer in the 5700 series and you need to do a hard reset to reset all of the defaults. If you're having just issues with the printer not connecting to your computer or not detecting your computer or anything like that, just starting fresh from a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. All we need to do that is we're going to come over here with it on. We're going to hit the down arrow until we get to on right here. It's going to show setup, and then we're going to hit this button that says setup. And then once we open the setup, then we're going to use the right arrow and click over until it pops up device settings. Once we get to device settings, then we're going to go down until we get to reset, and we're going to reset device. Then we're going to click to select reset device, and then it's going to open up a new option where we're going to be able to pick what do we want to reset. And if we scroll all the way to the bottom of that, we'll get to reset all. And you'll check reset all, and then it will show up with a confirmation screen just letting you know it's going to delete everything. You can hit yes, and it will reset the printer like it was the day it came out of the box.